Adding Shopify color swatches to your product page is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Color swatches are a fantastic way to enhance your product presentation, making it more visually appealing and modern. They can help your online store stand out from the crowd. Let's get started. To begin, log in to your Shopify account and access your dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, tap on Products and view your Shopify product from here. Let's talk about the product and its details, like you get the different color and size options in the product. After that, get back to Shopify homepage and from the bottom dashboard, click on Settings. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Apps and Sales Channels. Once you get into your apps and sales channels, click on the Shopify App Store and open it in a new tab. Shopify apps and sales channels are important components of the Shopify platform that enable you to customize and extend the functionality of your online store while expanding your reach to various platforms and customer segments. These features empower businesses to create an excellent e-commerce presence and drive sales through channels. Now, from the Shopify App Store, tap on the search bar and search for Global Color Swatch here. There are a few options available, such as Global Product Options, Glow Color Swatch Variant Image, and Plot Color Swatches. You can choose any of these. They all offer free versions. But for this demonstration, we'll use Glow Color Swatch. This app will help you switch on product and collection pages. So without wasting a minute, tap to install the app. After adding the application, click Install Application, and it will take a few seconds to complete the installation. You can then pin the application to your navigation bar for easy access. The Global Color Swatch comes with a different pricing plan in which it has many useful features. You can get access to these features according to your plan. It has a free plan which is free of cost. You'll get only 100 numbers of products in it. Then it has a silver plan which costs you $8.2 per month, in which you get 200 products and variant images. Lastly, it provides the gold plan, which costs you $16.5 a month, and you can get the unlimited features in this plan. For now, I will go with the free plan. You can choose any of the following according to your needs. Once the application is integrated, this application helps users customize colors, variant images, size of available product options on your store. Then tap on Let's Start. It will guide you through the setup process, syncing with your store and product options. This may take some time, depending on the number of products you have. In this options step, you can manually change the display style of color and size. Then click on Next Step from the top right corner. Next, you will configure the template settings for your color swatches. You can choose the swatch type shape, which is circle, square, or text-based, size, spacing, border style, thickness, hover effects, and more. You can customize these settings to your liking and click on Next Step. You'll also have options like zooming the image on hover or changing the size on hover, which you can enable or disable based on your preferences. Set the alignment and proceed to the next step. Moving on to the next step, which is General Settings now, in the Variant Display section, you can decide whether you want to show or hide specific colors that are sold out. Hiding sold-out colors can create a better shopping experience. You can also customize button names and decide if you want to show color swatches on your collection page. Or you can toggle on or off the product page as per your needs. Review your settings, ensuring that everything is as you want it. Once done, click Next Step. Now, you'll need to integrate the color swatch into your theme. Click on Integrate with your theme, and it will guide you through this process. Add the code to your template to ensure the swatches are properly embedded. So tap on Go to Theme Editor. You can make any type of changes in your store from here, like changing its title, or you can add different sections in here. Click on the sections and tap to get the preview demo if you want. Also, you can edit theme settings and add the text title and many more features in templates. From here, you can add or remove the embedded app. After that, get back to the installation process and click on I see the swatches widget. Save your changes and the color swatch integration will be complete. You can go to your product catalog and start adding color variants to your products. This involves linking images to your color variants in the product section. Once your product pages are configured, you'll see the color swatches displayed on your Shopify store. You can click on your product or preview your online store from the products and the details of your products in here. Customers can easily choose their preferred color from these swatches, enhancing their shopping experience. After that, tap on Apps from the dashboard and search for Global Color Swatch. Tap on it. Then, click to Sync Now. After that, the app will be connected to your Shopify account. And you can add Shopify color swatches to products pages. This summarizes the process of adding color swatches to your Shopify product page. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful content in our upcoming videos.